Hey guys, it's Bridget with San Diego Seed Company, and today I want to show you our most beautiful, gorgeous mustard greens. This is the giant red mustard green, and I just have to say, like, how stunning does this row look? They just look gorgeous. So if you haven't ever grown mustard greens before, they're a really interestingly flavored green. They're a little spicy, and actually, I love the flavor of them. It's almost like a mild wasabi. It's really enjoyable. You can eat these raw. You can chop them up, put it in salad. If you really like that flavor, you can cook it. I actually love putting this diced really thin in quiches because it gives it just this like amazing umami flavor that you really only can get with this type of green. It's just so delicious. And they're also stunning color-wise. So this is the giant red mustard green. It's a very easy green to grow. You're gonna grow it just like you grow any other lettuce. These look particularly good because we've had them covered with our row cover. Makes all the difference. They barely have any insect damage on them. You're gonna wanna grow them during the cooler season of the year. So that could be in this early spring. For us, we can grow them through the winter here in zone 9 and 10, or even grow them in the fall. So really neat, unique green. I hope you try them today.